बैक इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल आज की एजुकेशन एंड मोटिवेशन। साथियों, बिग ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है आज की। पंजाब और हरियाणा माननीय उच्च न्यायालय ने विशेष टेट से पास सेवारत शिक्षकों की पदोन्नति पर लगाई रोक। देखिए क्या है विस्तृत आदेश, ये देखते हैं। इन द हाई कोर्ट ऑफ पंजाब एंड हरियाणा एट चंडीगढ़। साथियों, ये पंजाब और हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का ये आदेश है। Rajendra Kaur and others applicants versus State of Punjab and others respondent. This application has been preferred seeking placing on record to promotion order dated 4 June 2026 यानी 4 जून 2026 को issued in various subject as annexer P17 and P2 P30 for the regions mentioned in the application. Learned State Council accept notice with an advance copy. He has not opposed the acceptance of annexer P17 to P30 on record. Accordingly, the application is allowed and the annexer P17 and P30, that is promotion orders, are ordered to be taken on record subject to just exception. Exception is granted as prayed for disposed. This application has been moved before this court seeking stay of the operation and implementation of the promotion order dated 4 June 2026. In fact, the learned senior council and would counted that the aforesaid promotion orders are against the mandate of Honorable Supreme Court in Civil Appeal number 1385/2025 titled Anjuman Isad-e-Talim Trust versus State of Maharashtra, wide judgment dated 1st September 2025. He has also drawn the attention of the court to a communication made by the Director School Education Secondary Punjab, which discussed the promotion of master cadre due to PSEB, referring to class 1, wherein the categorically stipulate the subject-wise promotions which are to be made for an non-teaching ETT to master cadre shall be considered only if the candidates are found eligible in all respect, with the cut-off date also referred therein 2 June 2025. Notice of the application. Mr. Santram Preet Singh Chauhan, DAG Punjab, accepts notice on behalf of the respondent state and prays for some time to file reply in application on the date already fixed. In the meanwhile, the promotion order dates 4 June 2026 annexer P17 to P30, if not implemented as on date, shall be kept in abeyance till the next date of hearing. At the stage, Nis Garg advocate, he has put in appearance on behalf of the respondents left out teachers and has filed by here wakalatnama. The same is taken on record. Reply, if any, by be also filed by the learned counsel on the next date of hearing. No ground to prepone the main case, that is CWP 6657/2026, which is already fixed. The hearing on 19 August 2026 in made out dismissed. ये साथियों 10 जून 2026 का ये माननीय पंजाब और हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का ये आदेश है, और इस आदेश का विस्तृत हिंदी रूपांतरण। पंजाब और हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट ने विशेष टेट से पास सेवारत शिक्षकों के पदोन्नति पर लगाई रोक। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के सेवारत शिक्षकों को नियुक्ति व पदोन्नति हेतु टेट परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करना अनिवार्य किया था, जिसके लिए पंजाब सरकार ने अपने यहाँ कार्यरत सेवारत शिक्षकों को विशेष विभागीय टेट परीक्षा करवाकर बैकडोर से पदोन्नति करने का प्रयास किया था। याचिकाकर्ताओं ने पहले विभागीय टेट परीक्षा को चैलेंज किया था, किंतु सरकार ने आनंद फानन में विभागीय परीक्षा तो करा ली, लेकिन 4 जून 2026